The advantage nurses have in senior placement consulting is that families already trust them. Now, what is senior placement consulting and why is it good for nurses? Now, what it is you're helping mom and dad and their families find a facility for mom and dad to stay when they can't stay at home anymore. Mom left the stove on, dad's wandering, it's just not safe anymore. The family is freaked out. Enter you, the nurse. You already know how to assess, you already know how to evaluate, and you extend that to helping them find the right place for mom and dad. Now, the families, they don't pay you anything for this because the facilities take care of the entire invoice. I'm going to say that again. You are able to help families for free. The work is structured the same way it is now, where the work comes to you. And the way the work comes to you is we give you a proprietary marketing method where you don't have to become a TikTok person, where you don't have to start doing any kind of goofy marketing. You're just able to help families for free. And that method comes with a package that we mail to you in case you learn better using checklists and learning. I know I certainly do. And it also comes with weekly live help. So if that's of interest to you, go ahead and check out the channel. Thank you.